There's a clip right here that mine is missing. This wire went to, so you'll have to undo that. Then loosen this clamp up with either a straight edge screwdriver or a 5/16 nut driver. Now this is going to look really easy, but yours will be a lot harder. Mine's been loosened up because I've practiced for this video. This just pulls forward and this just comes off right there. Now I'm going to move the camera. Next, take this off. I find this is probably kind of in some ways one of the hardest parts, because this guy, even though I push way down on it to actually get him to come off, and he's been taken off and on a bunch of times, he's kind of hard, but as you can see, it's just you push this down. Now there are two clips that are down up under here. I don't know if you can see them for sure, but one's right here, and then one up toward the front right here. Once those two clips are out, this just comes out. Pay attention to these three things. They went into a little slot back here. So once he's off, this is your air filter right here. I'm leaving an Amazon link where I got this filter from. I want to warn you, ignore these dimensions that are on the page when you go to order it. I don't know what those dimensions are, but it says it's 9.4 inches by 7.9 inches by 2.5 inches. Totally ignore that. Let me zoom out now. This box, which is what I thought maybe the dimensions were, it wasn't that, because it's only 9 inches by 8 inches, not 9.4 like they said. So it wasn't the box either. I have no idea what the dimensions are. Just make sure that your filter is a little bit less than 9 going this way. It's like 7 3/4, really close to that, going this way. And it's like 2 1/4, maybe a little less, going up and down. If you have that filter, it should fit just fine. This end goes down, so he just slides in like that. Then this here, remember these three things I was talking about? They go in those three holes back here, meaning right in here. So they just slide in. Then this just pushes down. Up underneath are those clips. You got to put the clips on. I put them on first. So now he's in. Then this hose here just slips on, but I do want to mention, if you don't get this hose on correctly, or this little hose right here, I've had it where I get air leaks coming in here, and it actually caused me to have a check engine light. This will cause a check engine light too if you don't get him in correctly. In fact, if you don't plug him in, I don't even think the truck will start. I'm not positive of that, but I'm pretty sure of it. So this guy just pushes in till you hear the click. Tighten your clamp up and you're all finished. While the moon is setting, I have some other suggested videos I've done on the 2005 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. This is Ron from Fixing Stuff in Black and White, signing off.